Good evening, I'm Joe Netherworld with your daily tarot card reading for August 8th, 2013. Quick overview is that I'll pull 3 cards, 1 main card for the day, 2 signifier or qualifier cards on either side of that. They'll appear on the screen in front of me, and I'm going to get started, 1, 2, 3, and let's get into the heart of the matter for today. So we've got on one side the Four of Swords, which is rest after battle. It's sort of like maybe sometimes defeat after battle or retreat after battle, but there's definitely been a long, hard battle. It's been worked through. And the main card today is Ace of Pentacles. It's a singular card, has lots of simple, straightforward answers. It's about money and romance. It's a mix, but definitely the one truest thing of the day stands out. So it's not a day for multitasking. Another side of that is the Empress. So we have, at the end of the day, the Empress signifies a strong female force, but a mix of intuition, but has the final say on things. So it's sometimes referred to as the mother card in the deck, because it's the female force, but it's the supreme female force. Sometimes it's a female boss. Rarely is it a female partner because, unless you're in a really cuckolded situation, does the female have that much control over the whole scenario. But the Ace of Pentacles is the main card of the day. It sort of pushes its way to the front about being money, but about being singularly focused. There is room for relationships in here, and it's not completely devoid of that, but it's about making sure that the one thing that's the most obvious, worthwhile, powerful thing in your life is center stage. It's going to force itself to center stage. It's not going to let itself be part of a multitasking environment. The Four of Swords on the one side is showing you that you fought hard for this. It's sort of reached the point now where the things that were distractions have been fought back and pushed aside and have let this main force of the day come forward. I'm feeling this is a money read, and I know there's a lot lately about money, and there is some relationship creeping into this, but it's about getting that signified and also taking pride in it's about really being proud of what you do for a living, being a proud provider, making good money, and spending your money too. It's not about hoarding, it's about being luxurious and opening yourself up to that. And at the same time, you have to learn that you have to be a little bit intellectual, meets a balance of intuition about how you're living your life. That female force, that Empress force, is going to say, all right, enough spending, a little more saving, or yes, it's a good day to be exuberant and extravagant with your money, but don't burn it all out. So just take today. It's a good day for large purchases that mean something. It's about if you have to buy a new car, new house, new equipment for jobs especially. So I really think today is, if there's a purchase that can be made today that will enhance your work. Today's the day to buy a new computer, if you work on computers, new tools, or use tools, expand your business. But be wise about it and don't be completely analytical. Use a little intuition, little female side of things. Be a little more emotional about your decisions today, but they feel right. Like, in other words, you might have to logically explain if that's a good idea. If it feels like a good idea and you've earned it, you've fought hard and earned it, then go ahead and do it. And that's about what today's about, really. In all summation, it's about doing what you feel is right, but doing it not for personal pleasure, but for personal gain. And that's today's reading, and we'll meet again here tomorrow night. You can use the comment section, leave questions and comments, and I'll answer them in more depth if you have questions about this read. Subscribe, tell your friends to subscribe, and visit me on Keen.com if you want to talk to me directly. And otherwise, I'll see you here around midnight tomorrow night. Have a great night and a magical day.